Hello, another video of solving integral calculus, but in this video is gagamit tayo ng partial fraction. So in this case, we have the example of the integral of dx over x minus 1 and x minus 4. So usually, sa partial fraction is you just in the first place you just have to simplify the denominator or whatever it is na pwedeng i-simplify into its simplest form kasi you can just directly perform partial fraction agad kapag yung denominator or something else somewhere else is hindi simplified or hindi siya in form or hindi siya in simplified form. So in this case is I think simplified na siya, and we just have to perform a certain rules in partial fractions. So we have the linear factor, the linear factor, and then the quadratic factor. So may rules yan sa partial fraction. But in this case, since linear fraction or linear factor siya, is we just have to, express and represent the denominator or these two terms into single letter. So let's solve this. So let me just get rid of this integral symbol. Okay. So first things first is kunin natin tong denominator and kunin natin yung every term, and I'm going to represent the x minus 1 as a, so this is x minus 1 plus b, which is the other term, which is the x minus 4. Now I'm going to multiply this whole function into or from the original equation or from the original equation and yung denominator nun, which is x minus 1 and x minus 4. So let me just write here outside the function. So we have x minus 1 and then x minus 4. So multiplying this to here, so ang mangyayari is makakancel to. So ang matitira na lang dyan is dx or simply 1 equal to, so multiply naman natin to dito and mawawala to and ito. So ang mangyayari is a and then yung natira, which is the x minus 4. And proceed tayo sa b. Multiply natin to into here. So mangyayari is yung b tsaka yung natira. So ito makakancel to tsaka to. So ang natira is x minus 1. So x minus 1. Okay, proceed tayo in, pagsiset ng value of x or merong ibang paraan, which is the system of equation. So, ang pinakamadali na lang kasi ditong gawin is kailangan natin mag-assign ng value ng x from the denominator, which is x minus 1 and x minus 4. And we have to equate it into 0. So, kapag in-equate natin yung x minus 1 into 0, so, ang mangyayari is pupunta lang to dito, transpose lang natin tong minus 1, so that would be 1. So, as x is equal to 1, kailangan natin siya i-substitute from all to all x's in this function. So since walang x dito, and that would be equal to 0, I mean 1, sorry, and a, and then 1 minus 4, so substituting all of the value of x plus b, 1 minus 1, so this would be cancelled na. So 1 is equal to a, so 1 minus 4, that would be negative 3. So This is also equal to negative 3 over a. Multiplying both terms by negative 3, so this will be cancelled. And yung value natin para sa a is 1, negative 1/3. So proceed tayo sa isa, which is yung x minus 4. So equate lang natin to into 0. So x minus 4 equals to 0. So transpose natin yung minus 4. That would be 4 na. So we change its sign into a positive. So kaya, as x is equal to 4, substitute natin siya again dito. But x now is equal to 4. So this will be 1 equal to a 4 minus 4 plus b, and then 4 minus 1. So ito is maka-cancel na yan kasi 0 na yan. So now 1 is equal to b, and then 3, or 1 is equal to 3 over b. So dividing both sides by 3, so the value of b now is equal to 1/3. So since may value na tayo ng a and b, we can now proceed to integration. But sa mga nakuha nating value ng a and b, kailangan lang natin siya ilagay from the original function. So we have the integral of a, which is value ng a is negative 1/3, all over x minus 1 dx plus the value of b, which is 1/3, and this is x minus 4 dx. So we can perform a certain rules in integration. So kapag yung case natin is ganito, so that would be equal to the ln of the absolute value of u plus c. So ang u natin dito is x minus 1. So kapag kinuha natin yung derivative, that would be dx. And it satisfied here. And ganun din dito, ang u natin is x minus 4. Ang du natin, or the derivative, is simply dx, and it satisfies also. And since we have the constant sa numerator, pwede natin siyang ilagay dito, and these two. So this would be 1, negative 1/3, and then the integral, so pwedeng dx or 1 x. So this is u, since we let u as x minus 1, and ganun din sa kabila. So pwede nga itong du. So plus the integral of, so lalabas natin itong 1/3. So 1/3, the integral of du over x minus 4, which is u. Okay, now pwede na natin itong gamitin. So dito natin ilagay. So from here is, since constant to, pwede natin siyang ilagay dito sa unahan, negative 1/3, and then the d over u, which is, this is equal to ln, the absolute value of u. So this is ln absolute value of u plus 1/3 ln the absolute value of u plus c. Okay, may value tayo ng u, which is here and here. So negative 1/3 ln, so yung value natin dito is x minus 1 plus 1/3 ln, and yung value from the other term, which is x minus 4. And that is u. So ito na yung answer, but you can factor it further pa. But this is acceptable na. So, ang final answer natin is 1/3 ln, so factor natin to, and absolute value of x minus 4 over x minus 1. Ito yan na. So, sa logarithmic and dun kasi is may mga rules pa when it comes sa mga sign nila. So basically, this is the final answer.